guys? We're here at Xenses and we're giving it a walk through, experiencing giant chairs, weird mirrors, and everything else this place has to offer. So let's check it out.
Let's do it.
If you're looking for a park that will awaken your senses, then Xenses is the place to go. My name is Ken, and today we are checking out Xenses. As the name implies, this park explores all of the different senses that you have and pushes them to its limit. With over 50 different scenarios, you are guaranteed to have fun. My favorite part was the sideways town, aka El Pueblo. It was so disorienting, but I enjoyed it the whole time. And also, one of the biggest musts is going through the Cave of Feeling. I will say, if you're going to the Cave of Feeling, you definitely want to make sure that you get there as soon as possible because the lines get pretty long. So if you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime unique experience, Xenses is the place to go. My name is Ken, and Torbe sent me out here to personally vet and test all of these different parks to make sure you and your family get the best experience possible on your next vacation. So book with us today, and I can't wait to see you out here exploring your senses with me.